A warm word of welcome to everyone here on Independence Day. I have a great pleasure to begin the school celebration with a school prayer followed by Tamil Thai Valtu by our friends.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dairy desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. My Lord, I will be thine always. I may go far, farther than the stars, but I will be thine always. My Lord, I will be thine always. Devotees may come, devotees may go, but I will be thine always. When I die, look into mine eyes. They will mutely say, I will be thine always. My Lord, I will be thine always.
நீராறும் கடலொடுக்க நிலமடங்கை கெட்டொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் தெற்களவும் மது சிறந்த திராவிடன திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறையுடலும் தரிசனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க எழுந்த பெரும் தமிழரங்கே தமிழரங்கே உன் சீரமை திறம் வியந்து செயமறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you. It's time to take oath. I would like to call upon our friend to deliver the pledge. Please, Lokeshwaran.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity alone rise my happiness.
Thank you, Yogeshwaran.
It's a great time to welcome the gathering. Before we get on to the celebration, I would like to call upon our friend Nitisha to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, one and all. Present over here for a noble cause. It's my proud moment to welcome you all on behalf of our Gurukul School. I would like to extend my hearty welcome to the dignitaries of our management, vice principal, respected teachers, students and parents. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the celebration of our independence. India attained independence on this day in the year of 1947. After several years of struggle, we paid a heavy price to gain this independence. Our freedom fighters who were struggling for freedom and organizing marches and movements were imprisoned, tortured and were very privy to so many injustices. Yet they never gave up. The Jawan and soldiers accompanied such leaders and also lost their lives. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the courage and brave action that have led us to this day. This feeling of patriotism of our country binds us as citizens and we must cherish this unseen thread of love. Today there are many performances that our students have enthusiastically volunteered for yoga, patriotic speech, drawing and performance to celebrate this glorious day. So we will begin this day with the flag hoisting, and before that let's give a big round of applause to welcome our happy Independence Day to everyone celebrating. Thank you.
That's great, Nitisha. Thank you. Let's move on to the flag hoisting.
அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர். கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நின்ற தாயீர் எங்கும் காணொரு வீர பெருந்திட கூட்டம் நமக்குரிய தீர தங்கள் நல்லுயிர் ஈந்தும் கொடியினை காப்பார் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர். அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி பாரீர்.
The taste of patriotism flows in our heart and soul by seeing our tricolored unfold. I would like to call upon our friend Yasmin to deliver the speech on the Independence Day.
Good morning, everyone. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day of our country. Long back 1947 we got independence. We know that now we are living in this independent India only because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each one of them today. We are celebrating Independence Day as national festival. Independence Day is observed throughout the India with flag hoisting ceremonies, parades and lots of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem song after the Prime Minister hoists the flag, lots of cultural events, flower shading and also Indian Service Defence conduct a parade. 15th August is not only reminds us about freedom, it reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines sacrifice. It is our responsibility as proud citizens to sincerely perform out the duty, perform progress together for growth and development of our country. On this day, we should take an oath that we'll always with our motherland still our last breath. Celebrating Independence Day is upheld in India so that the upcoming generations are aware to make this country a better place to live. Dear friends, let's make our country the best country in this world. Jai Hind, wishing you a very happy Independence Day.
Thought-provoking speech and keep rocking Yasmin. Our little ones will showcase their talents by dressing up with their fancy dress.
நாங்கள் தான் மருது பாண்டியர்கள், எங்களை மருது சகோதரர்கள் என்று அழைப்பார்கள். நான் தான் பெரிய மருது, நான் தான் சின்ன மருது. ஆங்கிலேயர்களை தமிழ் மண்ணிலிருந்து விரட்ட ஆயுதங்களை தாங்கி இறுதி வரை போராடினோம். ஆற்காடு நவாப்பை தோற்கடித்து சிவகங்கையை மீட்ட பெருமை எங்களுக்கு உண்டு. நன்றி. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We want freedom on this day.
Bhagat Singh, I am a fearless freedom fighter together with Gandhi. I fought for India's freedom. Jai Hind. நான் யார் தெரியுமா? வீரபாண்டி கட்டபொம்மன். கிஸ்தி, திரை, வரி, வட்டி. எதுக்கு கட்ட வேணும் கிஸ்தி? வானம் பொழியது, பூமி விழுகிறது. உனக்கு எதுக்கு கட்ட வேணும் வரி? என் மோர வயலுக்கு வந்தாயா, நாத்து நட்டாயா, என் ஊர் பெண்களுக்கு மஞ்சள் அச்சு குட்டாயா, என் மாமனா மச்சானா மான கட்ட நாட்டை விட்டு வெளியேறு. நன்றி. My name is Nehru.
நான் தான் அஞ்சலை அம்மாள். ஒத்துழையாமை இயக்கத்தில் கலந்து கொண்ட முதல் பெண் என்ற பெருமை எனக்குண்டு. என்னை காந்தியடிகள் தென்னிந்தியாவின் ஜான்சி ராணி என்று அழைத்தார். நன்றி.
பாரதியார். அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை. பேர் அம்புஜ தம்பால். நான் பாரதியாரின் பாடல்களை பாடி மக்களிடையே விடுதலை உணர்வை தூண்டினேன். பெண்ணுரிமைக்காக போராடினேன். காந்தியடிகளால் தத்தெடுக்கப்பட்ட மகள் என்று செல்ல பெயரும் எனக்கு உண்டு.
I am Chacha Nehru. I belong to the Nehru dynasty. I love the children. I became the first Prime Minister of free India. Jai Hind.
Nehru is my name. Jai Ho, Jai Bharat.
It's time to reciprocate the opportunity given by the organizer for the wonderful gathering. friend to deliver the vote of thanks. Please, Bhumika.
Good morning to one and all. Present over here to celebrate the joyous and wonderful moment. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our management who always encourage and motivate us to take part of all the celebrations. Our sincere thanks goes to our vice principal, teachers and parents who always encourage us to continue the participation. It's time to extend our heartfelt thanks to one and all who supported on and off the days to make the event more successful and enjoyable. Thank you all once again.
No program will get over without our national anthem. I would request one and all to raise for the national anthem. Our friends Madhumita, Nitisha, Harita will sing the national anthem.